Hi, third graders. Today we are going to review how to log on Think Central for the Go Math portion of your math lesson today on rounding to the nearest 10 or hundreds. So the first thing you want to do when you're at this home screen is you are going to log on using the password that you have. Once you log in, you should make sure that you have accessed the site correctly and that your name is up here in the top right corner. Once you have done that, you're going to go to your library, My Library, and we are going to look for the Interactive Student Edition, which is right here. All right, and we are doing the lesson on rounding, which is lesson 1.2. So we will go to chapter 1 and go down to lesson 1.2, just as we have in class. Okay, once you click on here, you will find all the tools that you need. It will take you through the lesson in the beginning. Then we will go to and unlock the problem, which is practicing. From there, after that, you can click on even more examples, each one taking you through what you need to do. You can click on this whistle at any time to take you to your personal math trainer for practice work once you have gone through the lesson. And finally is your homework portion, which you will also click on the whistle in the personal math trainer. Everything that you need is right here for your Go Math portion. Once you're done, you can review and go back to some more practice that I've linked to today's lesson at home. Good luck. I know you're going to do a great job.